Now students, we are going to study another important and interesting most lesson. As we can see through the name of the lesson, because the name of the lesson is Landscape of the Soul. Landscape of the Soul, written by the famous writer Nathalie Troveroy. Again see Nathalie Troveroy. Before going through the text of this lesson, we have to look over the words or the glossary of this lesson. See, लैंडस्केप मीन्स बैकग्राउंड ऑफ अ पेंटिंग, मीन्स पेंटिंग की एक बैकग्राउंड, यानी उसके बैकग्राउंड में क्या होता है. इमेंस मीन्स बिग. ड्वेल, ड्वेल मीन्स टू लिव, कहते नहीं वो ड्वेलर है, यहाँ का निवासी है. लिव, वैनिश, डिसअपियर. स्नीक, टू एंटर सीक्रेटली, यानी चुपचाप घुसना. सी अगेन, स्नीक, टू एंटर सीक्रेटली, चुपके से घुसना. एंड टेरिटरी मीन्स रीजन या एरिया, क्षेत्र. कॉन्क्वेर मीन्स टू विन. कॉन्क्वेर मीन्स विन. गोल, एम. डेलिकेट रियलिज्म. डेलिकेट रियलिज्म, रियलिज्म मीन्स वास्तविकता. Delicate, soft. Delicate realism means to make something look real. किसी चीज को ऐसा बनाना कि वो रियल लगे. Illusionistic likeness. देखिए बच्चों, illusion means भ्रम होता है, likeness means similarity. Illusionistic likeness means a similarity which creates illusion, यानी एक समानता जो कि भ्रम क्रिएट करती है, उत्पन्न करती है. रिप्रेजेंट, टू बी अ सिंबल ऑफ, प्रतिनिधित्व करना, प्रतीक बनाना. सस्पेंशन, टू स्टॉप. फंडामेंटल्स यानी बेसिक्स, आधारभूत चीजें. लॉफ्टी, लॉफ्टी मीन्स हाई. Students, before going through the text of this story or lesson, we should know that what is given there about in this lesson in very short. Student, in this lesson, the writer have told that through any painting we can see the object or the aim of the painter. He has compared so many types of painters in this lesson, as Chinese painter, modern painter, and other types, and of other time periods painters, and described how they have tried to display their thoughts, their notions in the painting. He also tells us that how the painters wanted, or how the painters have expected from the viewers to view their painting. Means few of them wanted that the viewer should enter into the mind of the painter and should try to know what the painter wanted to describe, what the painter wanted to display, what the painter wanted to represent through his painting. And other types of painters have tried to represent through his paintings that his viewers should enter into the painting through their वे ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेशन, उनका वे ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेशन कैसा है, उसके थ्रू वो चाहते हैं कि व्यूअर हमारी पेंटिंग को देखे और हमारे ऑब्जेक्ट को रियलाइज करे. सो इन दिस लेसन we will see different outlooks of the painters, the objectives of the painters that they wanted to display or to represent or to draw through their paintings.